Google is verifying your number problem solved 2026. Google is stuck on verifying your number and just won't move forward, no confirmation, no code, nothing. If that's happening to you right now, stay right here because in the next 2.5 minutes I'm walking you through every fix that actually works. Welcome back everyone. Today we're breaking down the Google phone number verification loop, that annoying screen where Google just keeps spinning or says it can't verify your number. This happens more than you'd think, and the good news is it's almost always fixable without contacting support. Let's get into it. Step 1, wait 2 minutes and try again. Sounds too simple, but Google's verification servers occasionally get overloaded, especially during peak hours. If you just attempted it, give it a moment, then tap resend code and try once more before doing anything else. Step 2, check that your phone number is entered correctly. Go back and confirm you selected the right country code and that every digit is accurate. One wrong number means the code goes somewhere else entirely, and Google still shows you as unverified. Step 3, switch your delivery method. If you requested a text message, go back and choose the voice call option instead. Google will call you and read the code out loud. This works especially well when SMS delivery is being blocked by your carrier. Step 4, check if your carrier is blocking shortcode messages. Some mobile carriers block text from 5 or 6-digit numbers, which is exactly how Google sends verification codes. Call your carrier or check their app and make sure shortcode SMS is enabled on your plan. Step 5, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it back off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network fresh and can clear any signal issue that's preventing the code from arriving. Then request a new code immediately after reconnecting. Step 6, try verifying from a different network. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. Sometimes a specific network has a routing issue that blocks Google's verification messages, and simply switching resolves it instantly. Step 7, if none of the above is working, use a different phone number temporarily. Google allows you to use a friend or family member's number to complete verification, and you can update your number again afterward in your Google account settings. Pro tip, avoid requesting the verification code more than 3 times in a short window. Google's system will automatically flag your number and place a temporary hold on sending codes to it if it detects too many rapid attempts. If this happens, wait at least 24 hours before trying again, and you'll find it works perfectly the next time. And that's everything you need to fix the Google verifying your number problem for good. To recap, resend the code, double-check your number, switch to a voice call, check carrier settings, toggle airplane mode, change your network, and if needed, use a backup number. One of those steps will get you through. If this helped you out today, hit that like button, subscribe so you never get stuck on a tech problem again. And drop a comment below telling me which step finally worked for you. I read every single reply and I'm happy to help.